Welcome to Takshana Ayurveda Hospital. Takshana in Sanskrit indicates immediate. In Vagbhata Samhita, it is said that if the treatment and the diagnosis is perfect, then the treatment can be done very fast. The patient will get the cure very fast, immediately. But in the present era, due to various reasons, what happens is proper Ayurvedic treatment is not available to many of the patients. To overcome this issue, this difficulty, we have come up with this Takshana Ayurveda Hospital. Takshana is a concept. It's an unique Ayurvedic revolutionary concept in the treatment and medicines of Ayurveda. When you have a ailment, any long term or short term, immediately, as soon as possible, you should opt for Ayurvedic treatment. Then a relatively immediate result can be achieved. The doctor who consults the patient has to do Nadi Pariksha. He should examine the Nadi, the pulse of the patient, and understand whether it is Vata, Pitta, Kapha predominant health issue. And based on that, the medicines should be made afresh, Takshana. In that case, if the medicine is made according to the requirement of the patient afresh in the pharmacy and given, this is what practiced by the ancient rishis in the olden days. Now, the stored medicines are less potent than the fresh medicines. In this concept, last 5 to 6 years, we have been practicing fresh medicine, fresh Ayurvedic medicine treatment. It can be fresh herbal juices, it can be fresh kashaya, decoctions, fresh powder, fresh ghee, fresh oil. All these bring very good result in the treatment. In Takshana Ayurveda Hospital, which is present in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore, it is a 20-bedded hospital. Our Ayurvedic doctors provide treatment for all lifestyle health issues such as psoriasis, obesity, infertility, PCOD, hormonal issues, thyroid, psychological issues, sleep apnea, sleeplessness, varicose veins, thrombosis. All such health issues are treated very smartly, very effectively by our doctors led by Dr. Manasa Bhatt. Due to COVID-19, most of us are not able to travel to our hospital, our various locations to get the health treatment. So, Takshana Ayurveda Hospital has come up with telemedicine facility or online consultation facility. Our expert Ayurvedic physicians led by Dr. Manasa Bhatt, Dr. Akhilesh Warrier, we provide telemedicine in Ayurveda. What is meant by telemedicine? A prior appointment. Based on a prior appointment, our doctors through video conference, we talk to the patient. The doctors will talk to the patient in an elaborate manner. Will check all your reports through, you can send the reports through either message or WhatsApp, and through video with various video conference, video meeting methods, our doctors will consult the patients and understand their health issues, and based on the requirement, we prepare fresh medicines here and send to your home address. In this is already been taken. This facility has been utilized by hundreds of patients already all over India. Through telemedicine, we can come across various difficulties, such as you need not travel to the hospital in this risky condition of pandemic. So, being in your home, we provide you a consultation, a treatment, all the medicines are also sent from here through postal service. Please make use of this telemedicine facility. Insurance coverage is also available for Ayurvedic treatment in Takshana Ayurveda Hospital, which is a 20-bedded Ayurvedic hospital. Those patients who would like to get Panchakarma treatment such as Abhyanga, Udvartana, detoxification, leech therapy, there are more than 30 kind of Panchakarma treatment available. We provide all such treatment in a very authentic and genuine method.